In this special Law of Attraction video, we're going to share some secret techniques that will help you open up your third eye to attract more of what you truly desire, to manifest the life that you crave. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, the third eye, right here, the third eye is oftentimes underestimated in its importance in the law of attraction. The third eye increases your ability to just know things, to connect more deeply with source energy, with the infinite field of potential, and to have a sharp intuition that tells you, this is the direction I need to go. Not this direction, this direction. And you'll know it because you have clear goals, clear intentions, and you have a clear, open, active third eye. So I'm going to share with you a few secrets on how to open your third eye, and you're going to be amazed as you start to manifest more of what you desire. Please share it down below here, because other people who maybe have closed third eyes would like to read your inspiring story. So number one, schedule daily time that is quiet time. That means no phone, no television, no radio, nothing. Quiet time. And this is a time when you go inward into yourself. Focus on your breathing. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And just enjoy this 5, 10, or preferably 20 minutes of quiet time. Learn to listen to your intuition. As you are in this quiet space, some people like to go out into the forest to do this. I used to like to sit up next to a tree, but you can do it in your bedroom. I've had people tell me that the best place for them is in a closet, and they have pillows in their closet. They go in there and they shut the closet door, and they just focus on their breathing and being quiet and being still. And then all of a sudden, you start to hear something. Something that has been blocked out by all the noise and all the chatter of your ego. And that's your intuition. Your third eye is opening up, and you're hearing little bits of information coming to you on a regular basis. And it won't start like real loud in the beginning, but the more you do this day after day, the stronger your intuition will become, and the more clear the message will be from your third eye. Let me pause for a moment. I urge you to listen to that message and then follow suit. In other words, if the message says, get your money out of the stock market, you better get your money out of the stock market. Listen to your intuition through your third eye. The second step is opening up your creativity. And part of opening up your creativity is stepping out of your comfort zone. Okay? Whatever your comfort zone is, it has been created by your subconscious mind to keep you safe and secure. But at the same time that your subconscious mind is keeping you safe and secure, it is also keeping you trapped and limited. And so what I'd like you to do is look for ways to be more creative. Have you ever wanted to paint? Okay, maybe now's the time to start painting or do some sculpture. Have you ever wanted to create music? Now is the time to do that. I don't care what other people think. I really don't even care what you think about what you've created. That's not the point. As you create, you move your limitations. Your limitations widen because you're creating outside the boundaries of your limitations. And as you widen those limitations, you open yourself up to greater intuition, greater personal power, and a deeper connection with your third eye. And that's a wonderful experience because, well, you can't compare yourself to anyone else. When your third eye opens up, it's like nothing anyone else has ever experienced. It's your third eye. So make a commitment, okay? Make a commitment. Right now, I'm going to baptize myself in creativity. I'm going to bring creativity into my life. I'm going to be creative in how I decorate. I'm going to be creative in what I do. I'm going to write more poetry. I'm going to write more letters. I'm going to script. I'm going to diarize. I'm going to be more creative in how I run my business, my relationship. Look for ways to be more creative because as you do that, you expand your boundaries and that expands the boundaries and the potentiality of your third eye. Number 3 is to exercise your third eye. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to sit there and do this. This is not exercising your third eye. But what you're going to do is you're going to exercise your third eye by trusting your intuition, by keeping a diary, a daily diary, preferably a diary of your life, what's going on now and what's going on in the future, and also a dream diary, because as you keep this dream diary, you exercise your third eye. Practice being creative. We talked about that earlier, but you can do that through increased visualization. Look for the symbols 1111. When you start seeing 1111 popping up everywhere, your third eye is opening up big time. Practice contemplation. Contemplation simply means focusing on your breath. Focusing on your breath. Eat non-GMO foods, a plant-based diet. It's absolutely essential because it's going to help you decalcify your pineal gland, and that's so important in the process of opening up your third eye. Drink fresh water, at least 8 ounces of fresh spring water every single day. This is a very important step in opening up the power of your third eye, because as the power of your third eye opens up, your ability to use your intuition and to manifest what you desire increases drastically. I mean, in big, huge ways. So increase the iodine in your diet. Increase the cholera in your diet. Apple cider vinegar, increase that. Use that at least twice a day. Tamarind fruit. These are all positive things that you can eat and include in your diet. Eat greens and vegetables. Kind of lay off the meat, but if you're going to eat meat, make certain that it is range-fed food. In other words, it has grown up naturally. It has not grown up through hormones and all of these other kinds of things that they put into meat nowadays. Also, increase your morning meditation, especially at sunrise. When that sun is coming up, just as it's coming up, look into that sun. Before it rises too high where it's dangerous, where it's just coming up, look into the sun and allow that sun energy to enter into your eyes, enter into your body, and decalcify your pineal gland. Spend time also in complete darkness. That means perhaps getting that mask, because even if you have a little bit of light here or there, it can interrupt. And so what you want to do is you want to have time in complete darkness when you're going to sleep at night. So I recommend a nice mask. Make certain that all the windows and the lights are turned off. And if there's light coming through this source or that source or another source, plug it up. Make your room pitch black. And finally, number 5, perhaps the most important, is practice this simple exercise. This is a variation of the middle pillar exercise. So I'm going to visualize white light above my head. Okay? And I'm just simply going to breathe in and breathe out. As I breathe in, I'm breathing that white light all the way down into my body. Next, I'm going to visualize that white light at my neck area. So the white light here covers my third eye and the top of my head, my crown chakra. This white light, throat chakra. Breathe in. White light above, white light at the throat. Breathe out. Now I'm going to bring it all the way down. So I'm lighting up the lamp above my head, that white light. I'm lighting up my throat chakra. Now I'm lighting up my chest, and which includes my solar plexus and my heart and all my organs. Again, white light. Breathe it in, so I have this above my head, the light here above my head or at my neck, at my chest, and now finally at my groin. And my groin includes my navel area, so I have my groin completely covered in white light, and I breathe it in. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, indeed. And finally, I cover both of my feet with this white light. So now I have white light above my head, okay? White light at my neck, white light at my chest, white light at my groin, and at my feet. And I just breathe this in, maybe for a minute or two. Oh, it feels good. It opens up all of your chakras. It clears them and cleans them in ways that you cannot even begin to imagine. You'll experience it after you do it, but it really opens up that third eye. Do this for a week. You're going to feel that third eye literally become super activated. Okay, there you have it. 5 ways to activate and open up and empower your third eye chakra. Do it because it's going to give you more skill and more power when it comes to activating the law of attraction. You deserve the money you desire, and the love that you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And you can do that with a strong third eye, aiding you with the law of attraction. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. And be sure and put your comments down below, because I'd like to share in your victories, okay? In your good things happening. Let me know how that third eye is opening. And if you have questions about the middle pillar, I will make certain that we answer those questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.